welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually bringing you a very different type of video. I hardly ever, almost never, actually never record any fitness videos because I'm not really like the fitness guru. I kind of eat what I want, do what I want to do, but at the same time it's very important for me to like keep my body in shape. So I actually partnered up with a company called Bodyboss, as you can see, just to kind of try out their fitness program. This is pretty much going to be more geared towards me wanting to tone a little bit more, and then also I'm kind of in the process of like wanting to gain weight, but more so in a healthy way. So this program is definitely going to be for those looking to lose weight and also tone. So alright, so I'm pretty much going to go ahead and give you all the tips and tricks that you're going to need to actually get started with the program. So the first thing that of course I was sent was the Bodyboss book, right? So it's a guide, complete start to finish of all the exercises you're gonna need to do, a jump start program, just like so many details that are included. This book is actually really handy in that it's basically a 12-week fitness guide, literally, so start to finish. But none of these exercises can pretty much ever go away. And when I say that, it's one of those things where these are exercises that you are pretty much going to be challenging yourself constantly because you're using your body weight to pretty much be the resistance that you need, right? So it's not one of those programs where you start like Jenny Craig and all those things like that, where you started and then once you get to the end of it, it's kind of like womp, like that was it. No, so it keeps you going. So literally from those that are like beginner level, I would consider myself beginner level like fitness, because y'all, I get out of breath just walking up the stairs. So despite that I may like look in shape, you guys always comment like, oh my god, your muscles or your arms, but no, like literally. So this was gonna be perfect for me to even just get myself like in shape, regardless of the fact that I'm looking to gain weight. More than likely you're gonna lose before you gain, because I'm looking to build muscle as opposed to build fat, right? So anyway, you go online, of course, order the package, and once you get it, it comes in it's literally like a full guide. So start to finish, the very first thing it's gonna go over is like basically what are you eating, what are your goals, and what are you looking to accomplish through this. It's also gonna go ahead and give you pretty much a little detailed rundown of stop making excuses and how you can get better, how you can stay on track with your goals. And then it breaks it down into like these little pre-workouts. So the main thing here, the most important thing is, right, when we're working out, we're always trying to figure out how can I work out with my schedule, especially myself, because I wake up literally at like 5 o'clock in the morning, have to be at work at 6, and then when I get off it's just kind of like, oh, I'm gonna work out, then I end up eating what I want to eat, go to sleep, and then it's the same routine, right? Well, this workout program is actually something that can be done in under 42 minutes, 24 minutes, and give or take, I'm gonna say that because some of the workouts are a little bit longer, but that's gonna be according to like the pre-program or like the warm-up, so that's not gonna be included in the actual workout, but you'll see that like once you get the material, you'll kind of see what I'm talking about. So the most important part to me is the pre-training. The pre-training kind of gets you ready to go into all of the exercises, so it's nothing like stretching or anything like that, but it's more so to kind of get, so it's more so to kind of get your like cardio up, to make sure that you're kind of like moving in the right direction. You have enough bodily fluids to be able to actually do the freaking workouts. You're not going to be losing your breath. Obviously to some extent you may, but just kind of make sure that you are overall where you need to be to move forward to other workouts. I think the biggest mistakes that I know that I make, even when I go to the gym, I'm going hard with stuff that I have no clue what I'm doing. And it's like I probably didn't even properly prepare for those things. So through this, as you can tell, this is something that I'm like still working on. I've only been doing the program for about 2 weeks now. Like I said, it is a 12-week program, so obviously I don't want to wait this amount of time to kind of like come back to give you feedback. So I figured I would kind of show you like a progressional thing, right? So initially I'm just going to show you like my before, where I am right now, and then by the time I get to the end of the program, I definitely want to come back to kind of just give you an update to show you what it's done for me, what my body is looking like, so on and so forth, just so that you have a better perspective, because I realize everybody's not just going to go off of what I'm saying right now. So I am serious about this, y'all. Regardless if you think I'm in shape, okay? Regardless of that, because Lord knows my insides are a little crazy and I do have a little flabbergasters. Anyway, so I'm actually going to show you like what my body looks like right now so that we can kind of compare later. right? So it starts to break it down into these real live exercises. So everything from squats to little sit-ups to stuff that I don't even know what it is. But the good thing is it breaks it down into little like pictures. So you literally get to see exactly what it is you need to do. So they give you the warm-up stretches. They tell you how long you need to do that, about 10 minutes, right? And then they start to pretty much go into the real exercises. And it actually, instead of you doing everything at once, right? So imagine getting a trainer. Usually they're gonna tell you, okay, we're gonna have like a leg day, we're gonna have an arm day, we're gonna have cardio, so on and so forth. I don't know, I'm not a trainer, right? But anyway, this book breaks it down for you. So basically, it's kind of like you're purchasing a trainer, because literally everything you need is in this freaking book. Seriously, it's really crazy. The only thing I would probably add in here is once you kind of get to the maximum amount, you get to the last weeks, right? You get to week 12 and you're kind of feeling like, wow, like I pretty much mastered the program. You're definitely going to want to kind of step it up a notch, right? So I haven't even gotten to that part yet. And when I do, that's when I think I'll probably start really getting into like adding weights and stuff like that. But for the most part, the resistant exercises against my own body, great. So I don't know, I just want to kind of give you a really quick clip of, I can't talk. I'm just gonna go ahead and just kind of throw in some clips here just to kind of show you what the exercises look like and show you how easy they are. They're really, really simple, and I feel like this is gonna be really different, especially because we're going into the new year. So you guys can totally hold me accountable for starting these new workouts. Because y'all know how inconsistent I am. I will literally do these workouts today and tomorrow I'll be eating a burger. So anyway, you can keep me on track. This book should be keeping me on track. I literally just have it posted open, like waiting. So I don't know. And if you guys are wondering, the days that I work out are literally only like Monday through Thursday. It even breaks it down to that amount. Like you literally don't have to work out every single day. You can go on one day, off one day. So it's very, very flexible. And then I usually do it at nighttime. So I'm not really a fan about waking up super duper early to do it. But nighttime, before I get in the shower, I'm good. It puts me right to bed. Some people wakes it up. I don't know. But anyway, let's get right into the clips. Alright babe, so I'm outside pretty much just showing you some of the stretches and the workouts that the program includes. Of course you don't have to do it outside. I am using like a yoga mat. Obviously you kind of want to do this on like a flat surface. The grass is kind of uneven, but it's wet. That's why I'm using it. I'm out of breath, y'all. I'm recording this like after I did this already. I hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah, let's get into it. so much for watching. Thank you so much, Bodyboss, for actually helping me get on track and get fit for 2018. You guys, let me know if you purchased the book. I know that like it seems like a lot at first, right? But then when you kind of get into the routine of it, it's okay. So I kind of want to really build this into my lifestyle. Seriously. So anyway, help me stay accountable. You guys hold me accountable. We'll see what happens for 2018. I love you so much. Stay pretty. Leave any comments or questions down in the description box, and I will see you next time.